Get it? Huh?
Prisoner said, previous day, court was directed to petitioner to file an additional affidavit. And additional affidavit, it's not yet ready. So like tomorrow, next date may be fixed for tomorrow.
For tomorrow.
MS. So, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that
That's all there, no?
the affidavit which was directed to be filed by this court is not yet ready, and therefore a short date may be granted to file the affidavit. Where is allowed? Listed next week. Okay.
May I also
Yes, please.
Your Lordship, with the consent from other side, I beg to mention item number 5, supplementary hearing. Your Lordship, conducting counsel Mr. Naveen Kumar, he is the outstation counsel from Delhi. Your Lordship, in earlier occasion, this matter could not be fixed on any specific date. So this time we are praying for fixing this matter on 2nd December.
You are making a mention on behalf of
N. Kumar,
and
N. Kumar, Naveen Kumar,
counsel for the
petitioner.
and Kumar. And Kumar's name is not there. I took
Yes, Your Lordship, his name is not reflected in the cause list, but in the Wakalatnama, he has already said.
Okay. Mr. So makes a mention on behalf of Mr. N. Kumar, the leading counsel for the petitioner, and seeks adjournment of the case on
2nd December.
2/12/2024 on the ground that Mr. N. Kumar is an outstation lawyer and seeks adjournment of the case on that day. Prayer is allowed, listed on 2/12/2024. Stop. The name of Mr. N. Kumar, learned counsel for the petitioner, shall be reflected in the daily course list.
Obliged.
Lordship, may I beg to mention one pending public interest litigation, PIL matter. This matter may be fixed on 5th of December 2024. So, 5th December. All right.
Item number 1.
Made, please, Your Lordship.
My
Well,
lord,
they
in item
indicate
1, we have not
notices-
yet received our extra copies now. Extra copies have not been served till then.
Extra copies of what?
The PIL, my lord.
Well, we have instructed our counsel out there to submit. Well, this notices were issued. This is a matter relating to in the Water Resources Department.
Yes,
There were
learned
some
counsel,
embezzlement-
it seems the PIL, the petition has not been served to the government.
Yes, well, what has happened, we didn't have any counsel there. We could not take.
Okay.
But we informed our people from Arunachal Pradesh to serve copies. They informed us on that belief. I seek apology. Will serve it within a day, Mallo. And today it was fixed for the response of the respondent. So some time may be given. Because they need to file their counter also, and notices were issued. Well, the issue was regarding embezzlement of fund, and for 4 years the matter was kept pending. Even when prima facie inquiry report revealed that there were lapses on the part of the officers who violated the Arunachal Pradesh rules in giving contract. contracts has to be given minimum.
We are not going into the merit when we have not served
Yes,
the
yes.
copies.
So let notices go, because on the last occasion, notices didn't go as regards the private respondents. But the court was prima facie satisfied that notices need to go. Court wanted to examine the matter. So I pray that in the
You have
meantime,
for,
we'll
Mr.
definitely
Ratan,
Yes, ma'am.
we'll
you have
file
for
our
respondent number
copies
1 to 8.
and we'll file our affidavit.
1
But
to
I
8.
seek
1
apology.
to 8. Who is for 9 and 10?
Lordship, I'll
A
be
private
able to
respondent.
for 10, Your Lordship.
9 and 10.
No, only for 10.
What about 9?
My lord, notices were not served on 9 and 10, my lord.
Yes, my lord.
It was,
Notices may go
so-
on 9 and 10.
After the response of the state, then the notice was to be served on the 9 and 10. Private
My lord,
response.
anyway, they will have to give their affidavit. We'll have to give our response also. Well, I
When can
pray
you
that-
serve the copies?
Yes, my lord,
When
we'll
can you
give our
serve the copies?
Malad, since it's tomorrow, we'll definitely, right, because we were under the impression, I'm seeking apology on behalf of my person in Arunachal. They informed me that they have given copies.
Your good name?
My name is Mr. D.K. Das.
Mr. D.K. Das, the learned counsel for the petitioner, shall serve the requisite copies of the writ petition to Mr. N. Ratan, learned additional advocate general, for the respondent number 1 to 8 within a period of,
Well, let it be within a period of, this week we'll file it because it's Arunachal. Today I'll have to contact
within
my
a
team.
period of 7 days from today. Listed after 3 weeks for enabling the government to file response. Yes,
Obviously.
Malad, your lordship has issued notice on the private respondents also.
let us see. Only
Yes.
after you serve, and then let us see the
Yes,
response of the
only
government.
can I, yes, my lord. But can I have a date, my lord, since I am an outstation counsel?
What is 25? What is 25? Correct. 25.
After 3 weeks, 16th December.
Can it be on 17, lordship? Tuesday.
Listed on 17/12/2024.
Obliged, lordship. We'll take steps immediately.
Yes, please do that.
Yes.
My lords, for me.
Yes, please.
My lords, this PIL challenges the legality and validity of NIT numbered RWD Lumla NIT PMGSY 3 41 2003 24 dated 6/10/2023, wherein a word package AR08020009 for construction of road from LT Road to Gomsing by Kumbah upgradation under PMGSY 3 was notified, and it was awarded to respondent number 5. My lords, the challenge that we are placing through this PIL is that the road that is being constructed, proposed to be constructed and is being undertaken right now, does not qualify for PMGSY 3, lordship. Now, PMGSY 3, my lord, is very particular in regards of what can come under these guidelines. Now, under PMGSY 3, my lords, it is for consolidation of the existing rural road network by upgradation of existing through routes and major rural links that connects inhabitants to gram agricultural markets, higher secondary schools, and hospitals. Now, you know, my lords, there are two villages that are purportedly will be connected by this road. First is Gomsing. Now, right now, my lords, Gomsing is not even a village. It is a place wherein there is no habitation, there is no infrastructure, there is nothing. Now, Kumba is a village where all the 282 population that is being yes, my
Yes, we are dire need of roads, and why you are complaining this road?
lord. Pardon, Lordship.
Where dire needs of roads.
Dire,
We need roads, but then
Yes.
why you are complaining? What's
Lordship,
wrong?
Lordship, we do need roads.
There may be some aberration. What's there?
We do need road, my lords,
Then-
but we don't need roads here, my lords. There are
Let's
much,
ask them to obtain instruction, nothing else.
Lordship, we are praying. Lordship,
Heard Mr.
Jeetalo, Lordship.
Jeetalo, learned counsel for the petitioner. By filing this public interest litigation, the petitioner has put to challenge the NIT that is 0610-2023 for construction of road from LT Road to Gomsing via Kungba upgradation within bracket PMGSY dash Raman 3 bracket close. And also the consequential, also the award of tender, letter of acceptance and the detail, DPR. List of. Are you appearing?
Yes, madam. I'll be appearing for 1 and 6.
Mr. N. Ratan, learned additional senior government advocate, additional advocate general, and Mr.
2, 3, 4, and 5.
G. Tarak, learned counsel for, learned standing counsel, appears for respondent 1, 2,
The 2, 3, 4, and 5.
no, all of you, 1,
One
2,
is
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I'll be
Five.
appearing for 1 and 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The learned counsel for the respondents are directed to obtain instruction, list the matter after 6 weeks.
2 weeks, my lord.
6 weeks,
Lordship, 2 weeks kindly, lordship. After 2 weeks, my
4 weeks. In that case, make it 4 weeks. What's there?
lord. No much of that.
My lord, as per the latest status report, my lord, what has been recently, the metalling has restarted, my lord. Carpeting has not been done yet. Now, carpeting work is scheduled from December 1 and targeted to be completed on March 2020. As per the metalling has started.
Ma'am, have you received a copy?
I didn't.
I think, Mr. Ratan,
Yes,
it will be proper if you can, put this report in the form of an affidavit.
yes, madam. That,
Okay, I
yes,
think it
this
will be
was
proper.
sent last evening. Madam. That's what.
You please, put it in the form of an affidavit.
Yes, madam.
Okay. And who is for respondent number 13 and 14?
Lordship, I appear
13 and-
online. I'm appearing on the virtual mode, Lordship.
Okay, okay.
Similar instructions, but we also file an affidavit, Lordship grants us.
You were also asked to file your affidavit.
Yes, Lordship. The same
Have you
instruction. We haven't filed, Lordship. We pray for some more time to file it, Lordship.
Okay.
And Lordship, my name doesn't show in the cause list, so Lordship may kindly direct the registry to show my name.
Your good name?
D. Dekha, Lordship.
D. Dekha.
Yes, Lordship.
MS so. Learned counsel for the petitioner. Kumar. Mr. N. Ratan. The learned additional advocate general for the state respondents. Are you also appearing?
Yes, I'm for your opinion.
CGC?
Yes, yes.
Kumar, Mr. So-and-so. Let us CGC for the respondent number
1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 4.
1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and
3.
3. And Mr. D. Dekha.
Yes, Lordship.
Am I getting it right? D. Dekha?
Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship.
And Mr. D. Dekha, the learned counsel for the respondent number 13 and 14. Stop. In terms of the order dated, new para. In terms of the order dated 22/10/2024 passed by this court. Mr. N. Ratan, the learned additional AG, has placed brief status report of Sipa Dash Chayang Tajo Road, correct?
Yes.
Within bracket 81.0 km as on 16 November 2024. Stop. We, however, desire that the briefs, the status report should be placed in the form of an affidavit. Stop. Mr. D. Dekha, then counsel for the respondent number 13 and 14, also seeks for some time to file the affidavit as ordered by this court on 22/10/2024. Stop. Listed on any date?
4 December.
Listed on
4 December.
4
Lordship, may-
December. Too
Lordship, may
early,
list
my
in
lord.
15 weeks, Lordship. Maybe in the second week of December, Lordship. If
18 December.
yes, Lordship.
18 December.
18.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Lordship.
Listed on 18 December 2024 for enabling the state respondents as well as the respondent number 13 and 14 to file their respective affidavit.
Lordship, my
Stop.
name.
Yes. The name of Mr. D. Dekha as the learned counsel for the respondent number 13 and 14 shall be reflected in the daily close list.
Obliged, Lordship.
Obliged, ma'am.
Obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, I would like to mention item number 10 and 11.
Yes, please.
And for respondent number 2 and 5.
2 and 5.
Yes,
Item number 10 and 11.
yes.
2 and
This
5.
matter may be taken up after 2 weeks, Lordship.
On the prayer of Mr. So-and-so. Learned counsel for the respondent number 2 and 5. Listed after.
2 weeks,
2
Lordship.
weeks. Okay.
Earlier.
Lordship, I would like to mention item number 19. In this case, I'm for the respondent number 5. So we need to file the additional
Item.
19 loss.
Ah,
We need some more time to file a affidavit.
you're for the
Respondent number 5.
Mr. So-and-so.
I have objection to this, my lord. The respondent number 5 was a caveator in this matter, my lord. This matter was first listed on 28th August, my lord. All have filed affidavit, my lord.
You're the counsel for the.
I'm the petitioner, my lord.
Okay.
My lord, these matters, tender matter, my lord, are now, this urgent matter, my lord, it ought to have been disposed, my lord. But this your lordship was of the, my lord, opinion that it should be disposed earlier, my lord. Your lordship has already.
We give you a last chance after
Yes,
that, after, no adjourn.
My lord, caveator, my lord. Otherwise I would have understood, my lord, if he was a responded different, my lord. He was a caveator.
What is your stand in this case? What is your stand in this case? You're, I'm told that you are only a caveator.
Yes, Lordship.
What is your stand?
Work was awarded in favor of me, Lordship.
Oh, work was allotted in favor of you.
Yes, yes. So numbers of documents they have challenging before December course. So we need
Okay,
some
No,
more
man
time,
has
sir.
already filed affidavit regarding that.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the, you're the, for the caveator?
Yes, yes. KVT private respondent number 5. Plus.
Caveator slash private, no caveator.
Respondent
Counsel for the respondent number 5 is allowed? 1 week's time.
2 weeks.
No, my lord, other matters would be has already been tentative, would be disposed of this week, my lord. There was the agreement between all the parties.
It is allowed 1 week's time to file affidavit. Listed on 2/12/2020. It is stop. It is made clear that no further adjournment shall be granted to the respondent number 5 to file the affidavit.
Let it be port to, I will have personal difficulties once again. Port.
Okay? Okay, 4th. Yes, 4th.
Your Lordship, I'm here for item number 12.
Item number
12.
12.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So the lead counsel is from Guwahati and due to some urgent work, he cannot be here.
Leading counsel for the
For the
petitioner or-
For the petitioner.
any date,
Sorry?
even any date
Yeah, matter may be fixed on 3rd December.
on
3rd December.
on the MS and so makes a mention on behalf of Mr. Who is the leading counsel?
Titapa.
Mr. So and so. The leading counsel for the petitioner and seeks adjournment of the case on 3/12/2024. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay. Yes.
Lordship, I would like to mention one unlisted matter.
Now, what is that?
That is matter is connection to recruitment, lecturer post of the education department. So already a Viva voice test is already fixed on this 25 or 26. Lordship, my right has been violated.
Thursday. Thursday, okay.
May I please, your lordship, this is a transfer matter, your lordship.
Here I have enclosed the impugn transfer order, Your Lordship. Transfer order is at page 21, Your Lordship. Page 21, wherein, Your Lordship, I have been transferred from as MTS.
What is MTS?
Multitasking service.
Multitasking service.
From MTS of Government Higher Secondary School, Yobja, to Government Secondary School, PI Colony, Alo. Lordship, I am not harping on the tenure and all, Lordship. Tenure I have already completed. So, with this impugn transfer order, Lordship, I have filed one representation subsequently. That is the next page, Lordship, whereby I have sought for cancellation of the impugn transfer order, assigning my mother's sickness, who is mentally sick, suffering from anxiety, and she's 80 years old. There is no one to look after her. Apart from that, Your Lordship, I have a small school-going children, Your Lordship.
If all these grounds are considered, I think it
Lordship.
will be practically impossible for the government to transfer its employees. If for every transfer, one reason or the other is given, where is the power of the government to transfer?
Lordship, I am here.
You have served your term for 3 years. You still want to be posted in that place?
There is one order also has been issued, Lordship, by the director also. I have annexed at
That's
page.
all right. All these are.
So at this stage, Your Lordship, I have.
We issue notice, no stay.
Lordship, I will pray for the disposal of my representation, Your Lordship, which I have filed. That can be, Lordship, taken into account.
Where's your representation?
Lordship, that I have enclosed at page, annexure 4, page 24, Your Lordship.
Page 24.
Lordship.
11th November 2024.
Lordship. This can be disposed.
Cancellation over 29. Yes, we give a direction to dispose this representation, nothing more.
And that Government of Arunachal Pradesh has issued one guideline also, Your Lordship. That guideline is.
Guidelines, okay. Guidelines, okay. Transfer guidelines.
That's no any statutory for.
Because generally transfer and order are.
Mr. Your good name?
AK Singh, Your Lordship.
AK Singh,
Lordship.
the learned counsel for the petitioner. And your good name, Mr.
Taba Tagum.
I'm sorry, okay, I'm
Malam.
very forgetful. Taba
Tagum.
Tagum.
Yes.
And Mr. T. Tagum,
Yes, ma'am.
learned standing counsel, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Elementary education, elementary education department.
Education department.
Education department, okay. So, new para, by filing this writ petition, the petitioner is impugning the order dated 29/10/2024. Passed by the Deputy Director of School Education, West Siang District, Alo, Arunachal Pradesh. Transferring the petitioner
From Yomcha Government Higher Secondary
From-
School.
Higher Secondary School, Yomcha. Transferring the petitioner, you just within bracket MTS. From Higher Secondary School, Yomcha to Government Secondary School, PI Colony, Alo. Mr. Spencer, Learned Counsel, new para, okay? Referring to the representation dated 11 November 2024, submitted by the petitioner to the Director, Elementary Education, Itanagar, Arunachal Pradesh. Praying for cancellation of the transfer order dated 29/10/2024. Submits that the writ petition may be disposed with the direction to the Director, Elementary Education, Itanagar, Arunachal Pradesh, AP, to dispose the representation dated 11/11/2024, submitted by the petitioner. Stop. Mr. T. Tagun, Learned Standing Counsel. Elementary Education Department submits that he has no objection to the submission made by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, if the submission is limited to the extent of disposing the representation dated 11/11/2024. Stop. New para. In view of the submissions made by the Learned Counsel for the parties, the writ petition is disposed with a direction to the Director, Elementary Education, Itanagar, Arunachal Pradesh, to dispose the representation dated 11/11/2024, submitted by the petitioner within a period of
15 days.
within a period of 15 days from today. Within a period of 15 days from today, and any other past shall be forthwith conveyed to the petitioner. Writ petition disposed.
Lordship, till that period, your lordship, I may be, because otherwise, in the meantime,
That is always where our friends pull their strings.
till
So let me not give that a scope. Okay. Yes, what is this? Additional affidavit.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, basically in this matter, lordship, I'm challenging the fresh NIT, lordship, issued by the respondent number 4, lordship. What happened, lordship? The first NIT, lordship, was issued on 11/8/2024, lordship. And after the first NIT was issued, lordship, I participated in a tender process, lordship. And I adjudged to be L1, lordship. And subsequently, the work order and the agreement has been executed between me and the respondent authority, lordship. And thereafter, what happened, lordship? In the meantime, lordship, when unsuccessful bidder, they file a writ petition before this honorable court, and they obtain a stay order, lordship. So because of that stay order, lordship, for the 2 months, I could not supply because that matter was disposed on 13/3/2024, lordship. And after when I appeared in this in that matter, lordship, I placed before the honorable court all the relevant documents, lordship. And this honorable court was pleased to dispose of the matter, lordship. Dismiss the writ petition, lordship. Thereafter, I resume my supply, lordship, as per the terms and condition of the agreement, lordship. Lordship, it is pertinent to lordship.
Why the fresh NIT was issued? Why?
Lordship, I'm coming
What
to
was the mistake on your part that Respondent had to issue this fresh NIT.
I'm coming on that, Lordship. Thereafter, what happened, Lordship? The model code of conduct, Lordship, has been announced in the state of Arunachal Pradesh in terms of
When were you issued the work order?
Lordship will file.
When were you issued the work order?
Lordship, will
Just give me the date. Just give me the
Lordship.
date.
That is on 8 January 2024, Lordship.
8/1/2024.
Lordship. And the agreement was executed between me and the respondent authority, that is 31/1/2024, Lordship.
31/1/2024 agreement.
Agreement, Lordship. As per that agreement, Lordship, my work is supposed to be completed on July 31st. That is on 31/7/2024, Lordship. Since there was a stay order, Lordship, in that matter, Lordship, I could not continue with the supply, Lordship. Right after that writ petition was being dismissed by this honorable court on the account of suppression of material fact, Lordship. Since the stay order was vacated, Lordship, and in that period, Lord, almost 1.5 months, I could not supply the materials, Lordship. And thereafter, Lordship, what happened? Model code of conduct was announced in the state of Arunachal Pradesh for the general election, Lordship. Because of that, Lordship, most of the block offices were busy in the election-related work, Lordship. And thereafter, Lordship, when the election was completed, Lordship, then I started to supply the work. In the meantime, Lordship, because of the initiation run, Lordship, the breach which connect the entire district, that is the Kurumkume district, Lordship, has been
district?
Kurumkume district, Lordship. Kurumkume district, Lordship, that the breach which connect the district, Lordship, from the rest of the state, Lordship, it has been collapsed, Lordship. That order I have been placed before this honorable court by filing in the additional affidavit, Lordship. These are the three factors, Lordship, which I could not supply the materials, Lordship, in terms of the agreement, Lordship. Jilla Parishad member, Lordship, in the meantime, Lordship, by knowing all the regions, Lordship, they have submitted the representation to the PD, Lordship, to extend the work, Lordship. Because since there's in other district also, Lordship, the PD has extended the work, Lordship, where there is natural calamities, where there is no work, there is no fault on the part of the petitioner, Lordship. If there is a natural calamities in any other regions, Lordship, it can be extended, Lordship. That has been stipulated in the agreement, Lordship. So far as close.
What is the status of the new NIT?
NIT, Lordship, is
it has been floated.
No, Lordship. It has been floated, but no bidder has been participated so far, Lordship. Now my only prayer is there, Lordship. On 14/11/2024, that is last week, Lordship, another similar writ petition has been filed before this honorable court, and this honorable court has issued a notice. In the meantime, stay the NIT, Lordship, and that is
the same NIT has been stayed.
Yes, Lordship, for the same district.
NIT,
no,
in other case.
No, Lordship. NIT is the same, Lordship, but the CD block is different for the same district one.
Pardon?
CD block, Lordship. There's
CD block means?
CD block means community development, Lordship. That is
community development block.
Lordship. Because CD block is for the entire district, there is a different blocks as there, Lordship.
Okay.
So common NIT was issued for the different blocks.
But different blocks.
Lordship.
So for different blocks, it has been stayed.
Yes, Lordship. For similar, that is move on 14/11/2020 last week. That order I have also, Lordship. So my only humble prayer is there, Lordship. Since this matter is fixed on 27, Lordship, this matter may be fixed on 27, Lordship, and it can be disposed on the same day, Lordship, with the file by issue or by pass the similar order, Lordship.
Let us see. Yes. We also fixed this case on 27th.
Yes, my lord. My lord, the order was that not to finalize, my lord.
Correct.
Not stay, my lord.
Not
It's
to
a
finalize.
stay.
Mr. Censor. Ultimate counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. D. Picha.
My lord.
The understanding counsel for the
Rural development.
rural development. The present writ petition has been filed. Impugning the NIT dated 29/10/2024. Issued by the joint director. The joint director, what is this? RD?
Yes, lord, sir.
Joint Director within Brigade RD, Department of Rural Development, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. For supply and procurement of materials pertaining to MGNREGA Works 2024-25 for CD Block Parsi-Parlo under Purung Komi District. Stop it. Mr. So-and-so, new para, one counsel for the petitioner. Submits that. Similar keys that has been directed to be listed on 27/11/2024. And accordingly submits that the present case may also be listed on the said date fixed. So list the case along with WPC 522/2024 on 27/11/2024. Stop till the next returnable date. The respondent authorities shall not finalize the impugned tender process without the leave of this court. Okay.
At least, my lord, I have not heard, but my lord may issue notice upon us, my lord. Notice may be issued, my lord, to us, my lord. Whether notice has to issue.
Will it be necessary on 27th?
Because it will again come to motion stage, my lord, because there is some procedure, my lord. In that case, my lord, if the notice is issued, it will be issued at admission stage. So I, at least notice may be issued to us, my lord. No formal notice, my lord.
Issue notice to the respondents. Okay.
Yes, my lord. Obliged. 2 to 8 lords, the similar order, only the CD block is different ones for the same ground.
All this,
Yes, lordship.
all this item up to number 8.
Lordship, they are from the same district only. Lordship. Only the CD block is different. Lordship.
Same order up to serial 8. Okay.
Deeply obliged. Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Tara, what?
Well, basically challenging the impugned NIT for one particular reasons, Milord. Technical bid of the petitioner firm has been rejected on a non-existent ground, Milord, one. Number two private respondents, Milord, whose bids were
Where is that impugned bid? Where is that impugned bid?
Well, 1 second. Impugned bid is at page 123, Milord. Impugned TV. Bid, Milord is asking bid or the impugned? The impugned technical.
Bid evaluation report.
Report, yes, Milord, page 23. 123, annexure 4.
This is for the construction of
Road.
P02 Nari headquarters to
Correct,
Deepa, this road,
Correct,
this road.
correct. Under PMGSY scheme.
Your technical bid was rejected.
My technical bid was rejected on 2 counts, Milord. One, the first is, it is under 4.2K and under 4.6 and 4.7, some factors. Milord. And Milord,
Just
yeah.
Mr. Tara, just one clarification, page 125.
Correct.
Part 2 of the financial bid will be opened on 14 November 2024.
No quarrel on it.
In the office of, whether it has been opened?
No, yes, Milord.
It has been opened?
It has been opened, but Milord, because my position as of now is limited under 22.5, because once the technical bid is open, Milord, under PMGSY guidelines, and then what happens within 5 working days after rejection and receipt of the rejection letter, I have to file a representation. So I have filed and that has not been disposed of. Since I am not qualified. My bid in technical stage has been rejected. So I do not have any way out towards the financial bid opening process. So now the ITB, Milord, particularly provides that I should file a representation. I have filed. Now that is one aspect. Second aspect, Milord, those 2 private respondents, Milord, whose technical bids have been accepted, they have been accepted and qualified them for the financial bid and financial bid open, Milord. Even what had happened is, Milord, they are also technically not qualified. Meaning thereby, Milord, there has been no level playing field accorded to us. Whereas I have fulfilled all the criteria set out in the tender documents. So that, Milord, I can demonstrate from here. Page 52, yes. My Lord, kindly come to page 52 for the moment.
Yes, When it comes to, now what will be the consequence? You have opened a financial bid.
Yes, my lord, at this is,
What now, what course?
at this stage, notice maybe, so otherwise, once technical bid is opened and financial bid, it is very difficult to consider his case and open his technical bids. So if the petitioner success, then matter will go. If not, it will continue. So at this stage, notice maybe issue will file our affidavit whether the
But in
ground.
the meantime, if the entire tender process is completed, the petition becomes infructuous.
Let me be subject to outcomes. If they succeed, there is a civil remedies which they can be applied for. If his technical bid is illegally rejected, he can claim for
Why
damages.
don't you dispose of his representation?
At this stage, since representation was received on 13 as per record,
12.
he submitted on 12, but it was received in the office on 13 as per records. So in that case, we'll consider see his representations. Even then, Saturday and Sunday comes next. There is no working days also. Only 14 it was working days. 13 it was received. So let the authority go through his representation.
Well, that is factually not correct. I can demonstrate one particular aspect. I respectfully endorse what he submits. At the same time, Malad will see there is a malafide exercise.
Well, is it not proper for you to at least file an application for staying this, all the financial bids and all this, so that actually like, there is no obstruction for.
I cannot, under 226 proceeding, to my understanding, I cannot claim any legal right or remedies where there is no cause of action has ripened in my favor. That will be a extra constitutional rights that I would be claiming. Now, my lord, kindly see that 3-4 defect which I can point out. The whom they have technically qualified.
Well, what is the proper recourse for this court?
Now, proper records, my lord, for the movement is that what although they have opened the financial bid, and my friend has respectfully submitted before this honorable court saying that the process has not been completed because the working days are gone. So therefore, my lord, till disposal of my representation, no work shall not, tender process should not be finalized, my lord. That would be my respectful argument.
I think that is fair.
Yes, one. And number two, my lord, my brother was saying civil remedy.
Don't ask for too much.
I'm not asking.
If not, we may not give you anything.
Well, that much only. That after that proposition, after that much, that much. Still such. Maybe within 5 days you dispose of 7 days or 3 days, no issue.
So the disposed representation.
Yes.
Till then, tender process will not be finalized.
Okay.
Grateful.
Okay. Will it be necessary for notice? No, no. Who are the respondents anyhow? Let us see. Who are
There is private respondent.
A private respondents is
Yes.
also there.
Yes.
7-6.
Ah. Okay, okay. So we issue notice.
Correct. Actually, Milord, they have violated 26.6, page 52, Milord. Without disposing my representation, they have gone ahead with opening the financial. Please tell your officer not to.
No, to that part, that is what response we have no instruction. I have no instruction to that extent.
Milord, in Arunachal, Milord, whenever it comes, Milord has seen all the tender process are put into challenge before the court. This is rightly so because one of the founding father of Arunachal, late Bakin Patil, said, Arunachal is land of kusi kusi. Here, Milord, law is there, rule is there, but then officers never follow. Even they are not afraid of the CCS conduct rule, Milord.
Mr. What was your representation, Mr. Tara?
Representation on this.
Page
159. 159 to 160.
159 to 164.
164. Yes. It was on 12 Milot, 12/11/2024, addressed to the chief.
159,
Yes.
159.
Yes. We have given to all the respondents, Milot.
But Mr. P.T. Tara, the learned counsel for the petition. Was that technical bit? Technical bit?
123 Milot.
123.
Annexure 4 series. My lord will find at column number 7. It stands at page 124.
That Mr. P.T. Tara, learned counsel for the petitioner. The present writ petition has been filed. Impugning the bid evaluation report part 1 dated 7/11/2024. To the extent of rejecting the bid submitted by the petitioner for the
My lord, if my
construction of the road,
my synopsis can be of some assistance to my lord dictating the order.
namely T-02 Nari HQ to DP via Detak within bracket 12.47 km
Correct.
under the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. Correct.
Correct.
Stop. It is the case of the petitioner that against the rejection of his technical bid, he has submitted the representation dated 12/11/2024 to the who are those respondents?
One respondent number
To the respondent number,
1, 2. The bid was rejected by the respondent number.
no, who are this? Chief Executive Officer, Chief Engineer,
This is number 2.
to the respondent number
2,
2,
3, 4.
3, and 4, correct?
Correct.
However, the same is yet to be disposed. Stop. It is the case of the petitioner that non-disposal of the representation dated 12/11/2024 has prejudiced the petitioner. Stop. Issue notice to the respondents to returnable when?
2 weeks.
In 2 weeks' time. Mr. Your good name? G. Tara. Learned standing counsel?
Yes.
Accepts notice on behalf of the respondent number 1 to 4.
1, 2.
Therefore, no formal notice that be issued. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall however serve the requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned standing counsel within a period of, Mr. Tara, within a period of
3 days.
3 days from today. Okay. Stop. Insofar as respondent number 5 and 6 are concerned, the learned counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the said respondents by registered postwid AD within a period of
1 week.
within a period of 1
No,
week.
3
from-
days from today, Milord.
Within a period
3
of 2 days from
Today.
today.
2 weeks. Returnable is 2 weeks.
Considering the submissions made by the learned counsel for the petitioner, the respondent number 2, 3, and 4. Okay. To dispose the representation,
Correct.
the respondent number 2, 3, and 4 are directed to dispose the representation dated 12/11/2024 submitted by the petitioner within a period of 7 days from today. Okay. 7 days from today. Stop. Till then, it is ordered that the respondents shall not finalize the tender process till the next returnable. Okay. Yes.
Item number 13 to 16.
Yes.
Wait, please, your lordship.
Yes.
These batch of writ petitions challenge NIT noted by the respondent department. Now, in one of the writ petitions, my lord, there are 4 writ petitions, my lord, and I appear in WPC number 93, 105, and 227. 13, 14, and 16.
Yes.
And
Whether all the pleadings are completed.
my lord, that is otherwise complete, but the writ petition number 93 of 2024 was amended because of certain developments having taken place. writ petition was amended and thereafter the amended writ petition has also been filed, but they have chosen not to file any reply till date. Now, if the stand of the government is that they will go for the disposal without any reply having been filed, my lord, I am ready, I can present.
If that is so, we record, we list it for hearing.
My lord, so far, my lord, 16 is concerned.
Item, just wait, item 16, item 16.
Yes, my lord,
Is that you are mentioning about item 16?
Yes, my lord. I am appearing in 13, 14
and 16.
and 16.
And
And-
the one you were mentioning is item 16?
No, 13. 13 and
Not filing, not filing the.
No, 16.
To
That
your
is-
amended petition?
No, yes. Not filing of the reply in the amended writ petition, that is item number 13.
Item number
13.
13.
Yes.
13.
In 13, my lord, the writ petition has been
Yeah,
amended.
Mr. Navam,
My lord, 13 we have filed.
Slip on the jagat.
Yes.
the amended writ petition, which case, in which case the amended writ petition has been filed?
In item 30, my lord,
In
application
item
number
13.
93 of 2024.
Also we have filed. In 15 also we have filed amended it.
In 15 also.
And 15 also, my lord, writ petition has been amended. They are also probably not filed.
I think amended, if I correctly remember, well, subsequently rejection of the tender bid. That was, I think, yes, they have incorporated. My lord, if your lordship decide whether the terms and conditions that we have inserted in the NIT, if it is malab bona fide, there is nothing wrong, then malab subsequent.
It's up to you, because if you want to take the risk, we okay, we say pleading is completed, we listen for hearing. And we also make an observation that the state will not be filing affidavit.
Malad, today is fixed for malad disposal, malad. If your lordship see last order for 411, malad, because there is stay order operating against us, malad. Now tender process has been completed. Only, my lord, there is a restriction imposed upon by this corner not to, my lord, issue the award. Finalization, we have done it, malad. Only issuing the work order is left out, malad.
Mr. Navam, I think I have some health issues, so short date, you can take a short date. We can list it on Thursday.
Well, last time also, my lord,
No,
because of periodicity.
Lordship is having some health issues. That is what I mean.
Thursday you can take a chance.
21st.
Thursday I'll not be there. I think Justice Etty will be there. So
Justice at
21st.
well, if your lordship is having some problem, only my lord, our burden is because stay order is operating, and this is just apply, my lord, to the pregnant women, my lord. This is some biscuits, my lord.
no, you it's all right that yes, but you ponder whether it will be necessary for you to file affidavit. If not, we will have to make an observation that you are not interested to file affidavit.
My lord, you lordship may make the observation that we are not going to file the affidavit because that will delay the things, my lord.
Yes, exactly.
Because we want early disposal of the writ petition.
You can have it on Friday or Tuesday.
This Friday, my lord?
Yes.
Or
This Friday or Tuesday.
Next
no.
Monday, Tuesday, I'll have
No,
some
this
details.
week.
This week,
This week,
Thursday,
Monday,
21st.
Friday.
Thursday or Friday, any date, my lord.
Thursday or Friday, any date convenient to your
Hearing,
lord.
yes.
Yes, my lord.
Thursday is otherwise good, my lord, because it's a hearing day. So
Thursday is a hearing.
Oh, is it?
Let it
Thursday is
on
a hearing
then,
day
my
here.
lord, for final disposal.
Yes.
Yes.
In which you are not filing?
13 and
Which is
16.
amended, Mr. Esdata.
13 and 16, my lord, amended.
13 and 16 amended writ petitions have been filed.
Yes.
Amended, and in 13 and 16, both you are.
I'm sorry, my lord, 13 and 15. 13 and 15.
13 and 15 means 115.
Yes.
112. Mr.
Yes.
P.N. Samuel is there online, my lord.
My lord.
Yes, and yes, Mr. Saiwala, you are for
Item
Item
number
15.
15.
I'm for the petitioner.
item
I'm for the
15. Item 15.
Yes, he is appearing. my lord.
I'm assisting. Okay, okay.
Item 15.
Okay. Mr. Datta, you are for the petitioner in
Item number 13, 14 and 16.
13, 14
And 16.
16.
Yes.
And you are for
15, madam.
item 15.
Only
What
15.
what about, okay. Heard Mr. S. Datta, Learned Senior Counsel assisted by M.S. Swenso for the petitioner in WPC 93/2024 105/2024 and 227/2024.
2024.
Mr. N. Sahiwala,
GN 7.
G.N. Sahiwala, I'm sorry. Learned Senior Counsel assisted by Mr. Swenso
AK7.
in WPC 115/2024. And Mr. Nabam,
For respondent one
Nabam
and two.
Tuki.
No, madam. He's my cousin in-law brother. R.S. Nabam, my lord.
And Mr. Nabam,
Yes, madam. For respondent 1 and 2.
Learned Additional AG,
My lord.
assisted by
P. Pangu, my lord.
M.S. Swenso for the state respondents in all the writ petitions.
My lord.
Okay. Stop. Mr. Nabam Tuki, the learned additional Nabam, I'm sorry.
R.S. Nabam, my lord.
I think your brother was a very famous man. That is why we used to recollect the name. Mr.
R.S.
Nabam, Learned Counsel, Learned Additional AG submits that the state will not be filing the affidavit
In amended petition.
to the amended writ petition
Mm.
in WPC 93/2024 and WPC 115/2024. Stop. In view of the urgency expressed by the learned additional AG listed on 21,
My lord.
12, 21, 11,
11.
2024. Stop. The interim order passed earlier
Shall
shall continue till the next return of the date. Okay.
Your lordship may kindly draw one more line, my lord. Endeavor shall be made for final disposal, my lord. Because interim order is operating
We
against
have
us.
actually made that observation.
Well, actually, my learned friend is saying about the interim order, my lord, this is no way affecting the state's rights because the condition is that till the time new tender is finalized, my lord, the old system will prevail and old system will continue.
I
have been continuing
can
under the-
understand why he submit because he's taking the benefit of interim order because he's continuing, my. That's why he's saying, my lord.
He is also getting the supply at a less rate, my lord. Now, new year, the rates will go up. He is getting
No,
in
we
the
don't know rate
old
will
rate.
go up or go down. We don't know, my lord. Whether it will go up or down.
Anyhow, we have listed on 25th.
21st. Problem.
Item number 17.
17, my lord. We have just received the paragraphs coming from the department. My lord, we will require some more time, my lord. Your lordship may grant us. Yes, 3 weeks time may be granted, my lord.
My lord, they have taken lots of time, my lord.
You are for
They are for the
17
state
Union
government.
of India.
No, my lord, for the state.
For state, my respond number 2, 4, 5, 6, and 7, my lord.
2, 4, 5.
6 and 7. Union of India is also there, Mr. Kapong, my
So
lord.
you are the main respondent, Mr. Nabam?
Yes, my lord. Main respondent is the state, my lord. Because it is a state project.
2, 3, 4.
5, 6, and 7, my lord.
Okay. So for all the respondents, except one.
Except one, my lord. Yes.
Except one. Okay, we give some more time. What is your case?
My case is, my lord, the district headquarter was newly created and all establishment was already tender process. Everything has been installed. Now this
Compensation?
No, it is not a compensation. New district was created. There is name is Lower Siam. And
Pardon?
for
New district was created.
yes, my lord. In 2014. And for that, my lord, for establishment of headquarter, the government has taken an initiative, a project for construction of DC office and quarters,
Overall
everything, my
infrastructure development, my
lord.
lord.
And this has been installed, my lord, because of
This
that.
has been installed.
Yes.
By whom?
By whom?
By the state government.
No.
They have state that they have not issued a notification.
No, state has taken the initiative to
No.
bring up the
Initially,
infrastructure.
state has taken an initiative to bring up the project. But in the meantime, some
Okay,
group
but
has,
it's all right. I think you may have a case, but I think even if there is some delay, you will not be prejudiced.
no, my lord, delay is prejudiced because we are.
Mr. Head, Mr. Counsel, learned counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. Nabam, learned additional advocate general for the state respondents. The learned additional AG submits that he has received the instructions only recently and it requires some time to file affidavit in opposition. Prayer is allowed, listed after 4 weeks.
My lord.
My lord, let it be on 3rd of December, my lord. In 2 weeks, they will complete it, my lord. They have already-
No. Because office has to come from the district, my lord. It will take some time.
Okay. Yes,
My lord, may I pray for a date, my lord?
4 weeks.
4 weeks to receive, okay, but not time.
23/12.
My lord,
23.
Okay.
my lord, let it
Yes,
be
next,
before that, my
yes,
lord.
I think, yes.
Number 18. May I, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, we were supposed to file the affidavit in the contempt petition. But since Lordship, because of some technical issue, we have subbed the copy to the petitioner, but the registry has rejected our petition. Since like Lordship, we have not given the mobile number in the new format. Because of that only, so Lordship, I need some more time to file our affidavit.
To file your affidavit?
Yes, Lordship.
You are the petitioner, ma'am.
Yes,
You are the
I'm for
petitioner.
the petitioner, Your Honor.
And you want some time to file affidavit?
Yes, Lordship. It's ready, but let's see, because of some technical issue.
Okay. Okay. No, the state. Till the next date of listing. Oh, what is this rejoining report, ma'am? What is this rejoining report of the petitioner may be accepted by the respondents?
Lordship, here the petitioner was transferred from one school to another school, and there was a stay by this honorable court. Again, he had joined the same school, Lordship. That is the rejoining, Lordship.
Okay. So you have accepted?
Accepted, Lordship. We've accepted it.
Accepted means there is compliance.
Compliance of this honorable court, Lordship.
So what more remains?
There's
ma'am?
nothing.
Your Honor, may kindly allow them to file the affidavit. Thereafter, we will accordingly reply to the case.
Okay. You file your affidavit first?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. Heard MS so learned counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. So learned counsel for the
Contender
for the
1 and
respon-
2.
for
1
the
and 2, Lordship.
For the respondent contender number 1 and 2. The learned counsel for the respondents 6 for 2 weeks time to file affidavit. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay, man.
W.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, in this matter, I'll be filing rejoinder, Your Lordship.
Rejoinder to?
Yes, Your Lordship, with regard to
affidavit filed by?
filed by the respondent number 1 to 5, Your Lordship.
1 to 5?
Yes, Your Lordship.
You 1 to 5? And you are for?
I am for respondent number 6, man.
6.
Yes.
So for 1 to 5. You
Yes,
want
Your
to file?
Lordship. If necessary, I'll file even for the private respondent also, Your Lordship.
Okay. Mr. So learned counsel for the petitioner is allowed 2 weeks time.
I pray for fixed date, Your Lordship, if possible, Your Lordship, 2 December, Your Lordship.
Is allowed to file
2 or 3, Your
is
Lordship.
allowed to file rejoinder affidavit to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondents, if so advised. listed on
2 December, Your Lordship.
2nd December.
Yes, sir.
Four.
One also. Okay, Your Lordship.
Listed on 4/12/2024.
Sure. Okay. Yes, sir. And next item, item number 21, Your Lordship. Same order, Your Lordship.
Item 21 also.
21, yeah, sure.
Same.
Same.
In item number 21, my lord, I am appearing for respondent number 7.
Yes. Same.
Yes, same order, Your Lordship. Much obliged.
Yes.
My lord, 22, I was supposed to file affidavit by today, but I need some more time to file my affidavit.
Affidavit regarding?
Regarding his allegation, their opposition.
Affidavit in opposition.
Affidavit in opposition.
Affidavit in opposition.
Yes.
Why it is listed for hearing? Oh, you have no affidavit in opposition as well.
Yes.
It ought to have come up for orders.
Orders, it was.
Correct.
Hmm.
So what do we do?
Well, grant them some time. because-
And what is this steps for service of notice upon respondent number 1, 2, and 7 not yet taken? Is it? Office note 16/11/2024. This is, I think, latest office note.
We'll serve a copy to the standing council today itself, my lord, during the course of. It's done. Oh, well, the copy was served to the CGC.
Let us see the respondents. Who are the respondents?
It was 1 Union of India, 2 Union of India, my lord, and 7 is the second in command, Government of India.
1, 2, 7, second in command. Okay. So
There is a ASGI, my lord, copy was served to the-
you have served the copies?
copies to the ASGI.
ASG.
ASG.
And you are for 3, 4, 5, 6.
3, no, 4, not 3, 6, then
8 and 9.
8 and 9.
3, 6.
6, 8 and 9.
4 and 5 would be the government advocate. 4 and 5, they have accepted notice, my lord, on the last.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. So-and-so, learned standing counsel,
RWD.
standing counsel for
RWD, Rural Work Department.
RWD. Respondent number
3,
3,
6,
3, 6,
8 and 9.
3, 6,
8
8, and 9. None appears, stop, none appears for the respondent number 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, and 7. Correct?
My lord.
2, 4, and 7.
As well as 5, my lord. 5 is the additional deputy commissioner.
2, 4, 7, and 9.
No.
9 he is representing.
9,
5, my lord. 5.
2, 4,
5,
5,
and 7.
and 7. Correct? 2, 4, 5, and 7. Okay. Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that service of notice upon the respondent number 1, 2, and 7 has been served through the ASG,
Yes.
comma. Office note dated 16/11/2024. However, states otherwise. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner to ascertain as to whether notice has been served upon respondent number 1 to 7 and place the report before this court on the next date fixed. Okay. The learned standing counsel for the respondent number 3,
3,
3,
6,
6,
8 and 9.
3, 6, 8, and 9 is allowed. How much time you require?
1 week. 1 week, within 1 week. We'll
Is
file.
allowed 1 week's time to file affidavit in opposition. Where is allowed, listed again on,
Fifth.
listed again on,
Can
okay,
it be on 4th of December, my lord? I'm coming for some.
okay.
Subject to
Listed
your
again
lordship.
on 4/12/2024. Okay,
The interim order may be continued.
okay, so the interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date.
23 is a contempt matter, my lord. Possibly service is not completed.
23. This,
23,
I think it should be listed together.
it's listed together because it's connected, my lord.
Although it's connected, it's by person.
But it's
In
a contempt, my lord.
contempt petition.
Who is for the respondents in contempt?
Respondents are the authorities, my lord, the 369, my lord, which my friend is representing.
I'll take,
But,
I'll take
but as a
instruction.
Okay, let him first file the affidavit
Yes,
and the
yes.
arrears petition, then.
Let this contempt be tagged with, along with it.
Yes, it is tagged.
It is tagged.
It is
We have taken steps also.
Okay.
Possibly by that time, service will be complete.
Okay. Yes.
Highly grateful, my lord.